In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Flow in QuillBot. So first of all, in case you want to try using QuillBot for yourself as well, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can get started with QuillBot yourself for free as well. So make sure to check that out. So if you want to use Flow in QuillBot, you want to go to QuillBot.com, which is their official website, and then scroll down to the bottom over here until you see Writing Tools, and over here you will have QuillBot Flow. You simply want to open this up, and of course you can access it via this link as well, which is just QuillBot.com/flow. You can then create a new project, but of course first you will have to sign in or log in, so just click top right and then you'll have to log in with your account. You can use either Google or just create an account with your email and password. Now over here you want to create a project, so I just created a blank project for this instance, and the way Flow works is actually quite simple. You can just start typing something, so for example, this is a tutorial on how to use Flow in QuillBot. So then you want to type in what Flow does is, and then you just essentially wait if you don't know what to write anymore, and as you can see, it will automatically suggest you what you can write over here. So it says what Flow does is it allows you to easily rearrange and reorder your writing to improve its flow and coherence. And then you can click over here where it says tab, or just press the tab button, and just like that you'll be able to get yourself essentially filled in with the text that Flow generated. And then if you wait a few seconds yet again, as you can see, it will give you yet another sentence and then another one and another, and it will just go on and forth. You can use Flow over here to essentially edit all your text, so you can see all your words. You can press suggest text if you would like your text suggested. You can translate it if you want to. You can summarize, you can paraphrase. Basically you can do whatever you want with it. Over here on the right you also have the option to research, so just type in research and you can either ask a question to QuillBot directly, and you can toggle between academic and non-academic, or you can search, so you can explore available resources and search the web. So that's the first thing. You can then see the sources in here, so in case there's any sources that you want to add inside your document, you can find them through research, add source manually, or add sources via link, and you'll then be able to cite via this very easily inside QuillBot. You can also add some notes over here in case you have any. You can just type some notes, and over here you can see the AI review. So over here you can get general advice, increase clarity and readability, and ensure content is complete, or you can just ask for custom feedback and this QuillBot AI will tell you all about it, okay? Now you also have this plagiarism checking over here. However, in order for this to work, you will have to upgrade to the premium version of QuillBot. Now down here, as I said earlier, you have the settings in which you can select if you want autocorrect or not, inline suggestions or not. You can see the shortcuts and then the grammar checkers. You can click this button over here to dictate or listen, and then you can see your mistakes in here. So as you can see, there are errors in my text right now. There's currently one. If I click fix all errors, it will automatically fix them for me. Now you can see how many words you have, and if you expand this, you will see your sentences, your paragraphs, characters, and all that good stuff. You'll also see your grade level, so this one is right now on the high school level, and of course you can go from school to pro. Now over here, as I said, you have suggest text, so we can just click on that and it will start suggesting you some text. As you can see, you can then use it by clicking this plus button over here to add it in, and you can even cite QuillBot generated content if you want to. Now you can translate some text, so let's just mark this up, translate it, and you will have to essentially select which language you would like to translate. So let's say I want to do, for example, let's do Danish. Over here it will translate, as you can see, automatically. You can do replace and it automatically translated everything on the page, which is quite sweet. You can also do summarize, so if you want this to be summarized, let's just detranslate this, there we go. If you want this summarized over here, you can press summarize and it will summarize either in short or in long if you want it to be short or long. You can switch between paragraph and key sentences, which is in bullet points and also very useful, and can also be done between short and long. Now the last thing, you have paraphrase. You have to just mark some text, press paraphrase over here, and as you can see, it will essentially rewrite everything you select it over here, and you can then replace it by clicking replace, and just like that, everything's been changed. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use Flow in QuillBot. Again, if you would like to try it out for yourself, use the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.